It was early March. I remember it was raining. I was heading towards a Moosehead game and I was driving around the rotary, and I remember seeing like the roads really slick, like kind of like not black ice, but like cold enough to be black ice. And I'm driving around and I see this car to the side of me and I notice that it's coming in my lane and it totally doesn't see me whatsoever. And I'm like, if I don't move, something's gonna happen. So I immediately pushed my car. I went up onto the curb. All of my lights on my dashboard lit up and they just keep driving. They didn't even notice that they even merged into me. I ended up calling my insurance and they said, you should have let them hit you because we can't really deal with a non-hitting accident. Like if they don't hit you, there's nothing they can do. I was like, there has to be another way for me to get, past this. I heard of a friend from Valent Legal. I ended up calling their number. I told them where I was, what happened to the car, what's happening to me now, what's going on with my insurance. I've never gone through anything like this before, but it was the easiest transaction I could have ever had. The people at Valent were amazing. They literally, when I say they did everything, they did everything. I honestly just had to show up. It was incredible. Thank you, Valent.